Hey, what's up, guys? In here. Welcome to our Panometric channel. I know this is quite unusual to you because I'm speaking to you in front of the camera, but I hope to do this more often, so I hope it's okay to you. Today's episode is a very special episode because we will be reviewing and unboxing the Realme 6i. So the Realme 6i is giving the Realme 6 series a good jump start or head start because of its value for money specs. Let's not keep you waiting any longer.
Let's go.
So we still have the iconic bright yellow box with gray accents. Definitely, this is a trademark color for Realme. Malayo pa lang guys, alam mo nang this is a Realme smartphone due to its box. So other stuff that we have here are the marquee features of the Realme 6i, like the 40MP AI quad camera. We also have the Helio G80 chipset, 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. Also, sa ibaba, we have here the phone's configuration. So we have 4GB RAM and 128GB memory. I think there will also be a 3GB RAM, 64GB memory version of this device. So here it goes. Let's unbox the device. Mahirap siya i-open, so I'm just doing the dunk move. Okay, finally. So here's the smaller box which says, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." Oh, diba? It sounds like a new user is very special for Realme. It also gives you a feeling that you belong. So yeah, welcome. So okay, moving on, we have the manual and the user guide and other documentations and a new silicone case, which to me is a very welcome accessory, especially when it's out of the box. Syempre, ayaw nating magasgasan ng new phones natin, so thank you Realme. So there you go, we have the phone itself in white milk, but later ka lang muna because we have some business to finish. So after we get the white lead, here we have, so grabe ang hirap niya kunin guys. The power brick, medyo it seems like this is a new one, so yeah, oh yeah, it's rated 18 watts, so that means it's fast charging. And of course, this leads us to the USB Type-C cord. Hey, where have you been? It's been a long time coming. Saan ka galing? Oops, I forgot. We have the pin ejector pala. So it's right here. You need to open the packet. So there you go.
So we're done with the unboxing, and now let's go to the meat of this conversation, the Realme 6i review. But syempre before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so you won't miss anything when we publish new videos.
We have the white milk variant here for our review unit, which I'm personally rooting for since I like to make everything simple and clean. So tingnan nyo naman guys, it's very clean, it's very neat, and so minimalist. The design philosophy is based on the Realme X line, where we can see these parallel laser beams running through the top and the bottom of the back panel. Maybe it's not an obvious in the white version, but in the green tea version, it's definitely attractive. Also, I would like to point out that the handling and the grip of the handset is great. Hindi siya madulas, not that slippery in the hands, not even a fingerprint magnet. Yes, plastic siya. And apologically, it's plastic. I also noticed that the backing is white while the frame is silver, so there's a slight discontinuity there. Plus, the fingerprint scanner is also a different shade of white. I mean, comparing it to the green tea colorway, maybe the other has a seamless transition from the frame and backing. But you know what? If I'm going to choose, if papipiliin nyo ako, I'll stay with white. So the front panel is defined by the 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS LCD panel. It packs 270 pixel per inch pixel density with 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. On paper, it may look underwhelming since most of its peers are now sporting FHD Plus resolution, but in real life usage, I was surprised by the quality of the display. So first thing I noticed is that it has a great contrast. Colors are balanced with screen registering bright and sharp pictures. Viewing angles are also very welcoming, so for its class, I think good enough na siya. Text and pictures are sharp with minimal to no pixelation. Playing games with the display is also a worthwhile experience. Moreover, the screen is well suited for video streaming in YouTube or other popular streaming apps. Compared to other Realme smartphones with HD Plus resolution, the Realme 6i's display is better.
So underneath this factory applied screen protector, there's a Gorilla Glass 3 coating, which is very handy if ever you decide to get this or uninstall this factory applied screen protector, which based on my experience is scratch magnet.
So here's the thing guys, The Realme 6i crams a MediaTek Helio G80 SoC. This chipset is designed in 12nm process and is intended for budget gaming friendly market. In our Antutu benchmark test, it scored 202,097 points, which is pretty high for an entry-level phone. Mobile Legends and Call of Duty run smoothly in our gaming test. Though you can still game with high graphic settings, I advise that you settle for medium graphics to avoid small hiccups while in game. I did not experience any hitting issues while in game, so hindi siya madaling uminit guys. So I think this would be a very good smartphone kung nagrarang ka sa Mobile Legends. It's also a great companion for streaming videos in Netflix, but I think you need to use your headphones or external speakers kasi yung bass niya is not that defined. Also, some of the lower registers need improvement. I also noticed when connecting to Wi-Fi, it only uses 2.4 GHz band, so to those who are using a dual channel Wi-Fi, you can't use the 5 GHz band.
The Realme 6i packs a quad camera module which is primarily highlighted by the 48MP camera sensor.
There's also an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP macro sensor, and another 2MP sensor for the portrait. So there's no telephoto lens here, so if you're a fan of zoom shots, you might settle for the digital zoom. The camera app is also straightforward to use with familiar menus on the interface, like the night mode, video mode, photo mode, portrait mode, and the 40M mode. There's also additional options in the More tab for the time-lapse, ultra macro, slow-mo, expert or professional mode, and the panorama. The main camera output saves in 12MP by default. Images look fantastic with great details. Contrast is also on point as well as the color accuracy. In good lighting condition, dynamic range is also great. I rarely use the HDR option at all, so hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit, but I'm a total fan of the Chroma Boost feature which puts a little more life in your photo. It's also a good thing that you can adjust your bokeh percentage right on the spot before you take the shot in portrait mode. Photos from ultra-wide camera is somewhat great for its class. Yeah, it's fun to use, but you'll have to sacrifice some details for that. The selfie camera is a 16MP affair with f2.0 aperture. Selfies are quite good for social media posting. It comes with good color reproduction and contrast. This is good guys kasi you can use beautification feature to smoothen your skin, fix your nose, which is my favorite by the way, eye enlarging, face trimming, and more. You can also record decent videos in the camera up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. That's both for the main camera and the ultra-wide camera. 6i comes with a new Realme UI that's based on Android 10. Well, if you ask me what's my favorite feature, it has a Google Play support. The new interface is cleaner. Task switcher is very intuitive. I'm not using the navigation keys anymore, so I use the swipe gestures. You can activate it in the settings, navigation mode. The Realme UI also have icon packs, so kung di mo trip yung default icons, you can download a set for your preference in the theme section. So the Realme 6i packs a juicy 5000 mAh battery. The combination of an HD Plus display, bigger battery capacity, efficient Helio MediaTek G80 chipset make the smartphone one of the best in battery management. On average, I'm having 6.5 hours of screen time with the handset. As for the fast charging, a 30-minute charge could give you around 35% and an hour of charge gives you 65%. So, hindi siya masyado mabilis guys, but at least Realme is doing something about it.
With no objection, I could say that the Realme 6i is a great entry-level smartphone. It has a muscle for gaming, it has a large or a big screen real estate, and even a better battery life.
Maybe its fierce competition right now is the Realme C3, which is basically a similar phone with less powerful chipset, no ultra-wide camera, smaller selfie sensor, but in a more affordable price.
Don't get me wrong guys, if you're in the market for an affordable, gaming-friendly smartphone right now, and when I say right now as in ngayon talaga, the Realme 6i is definitely one of the best options out there. But will it be true for weeks to come? Maybe yes, maybe no, but we'll see. Please comment down below what features you love the most about the Realme 6i. Maybe we could have a tech chikahan over there, so I'll be replying to your messages. So that's it for me guys, and thank you very much for watching guys, and I always appreciate the support for the blog and the channel that you're giving us. I think that's all for me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.